If your Honda Accord from 2018 to 2022 has the dash lit up like a Christmas tree with every warning lights turning on at once, well, you're not alone. We'll walk you through the most common causes and what you can do about them. So let's start with the number one. The number one thing that you can do, it's the easiest, is to simply go and check your 12-volt battery connections. One of the most common reason with all the dashboard lights come on is the poor battery voltage or the poor battery connections. Make sure those terminals are not loose, there's no corrosion around, and that your battery is not weak or about to give up. You can go to AutoZone or most car parts stores. They will be able to check your battery and tell you if it needs to be replaced. So that's the first thing you can do. Fix number two is, well, since we're talking about battery, is to do a hard reset of all the electronic system in your Honda Accord. This is done by disconnecting the negative side of the battery, the negative connector. Disconnect it and wait 10-15 minutes. After doing that, reconnect it, start again your car, and hopefully you won't see the warning lights anymore. If you still see them, don't worry, it can take a few minutes because every time you disconnect this battery during a certain amount of time and you reconnect it, the car will scan every single electronic module. So I suggest you go and drive at least 5-10 minutes and hopefully the lights will disappear. Now, if you're still having troubles, one thing that I recommend you is to scan for the trouble codes, because there could be a bunch of different reasons why they are appearing. Most car parts store will be able to scan your 12-volt battery for free, so you'll have a better idea what's wrong with it. I searched on different forums on the internet, and some people had a failing turbocharger that triggered these errors. Some other people had a faulty BCM, so they had to change a few modules. It really depends. So the best thing once you scan is, well, to get the answer directly. If this video solved your issue, or if you have any other comments or solutions, please type a comment down below. Subscribe and like. Have a nice day. Thanks.